Number 1. Logitech Ergo K860. Meet the Logitech Ergo K860, your solution for a comfortable typing experience. This keyboard boasts a plush wrist rest and a unique wave-like shape that separates the keys into 2 clusters, one for each hand. This design aligns your hands, wrists, and elbows in a neutral position, reducing strain and keeping you comfortable during long typing sessions. It's easy to appreciate the high-quality build of the Logitech Ergo K860, despite it being made of plastic. This keyboard feels solid and durable. No flimsy construction here. The switches are light to press, meaning your fingers won't tire, even after hours of typing. Plus, the quiet switches ensure you won't disturb those around you, whether you're at home or in the office. The flexibility of this keyboard is a major win. Connect wirelessly using the USB receiver or Bluetooth. No more tangling with pesky cables. Place the keyboard wherever it feels best for you. The versatility extends to its compatibility with different devices, which makes it a breeze to switch between multiple gadgets. Now, let's talk about the plush wrist rest. This feature stands out as my favorite. It adds an additional layer of comfort that is hard to beat, keeping your wrists cushioned. On the flip side, its entirely plastic construction might not be everyone's cup of tea, though it doesn't compromise the sturdiness. In the end, it's an outstanding ergonomic keyboard offering great comfort, light and quiet switches, and superior flexibility. If superior comfort and adaptability are your goals, then it's time to give the Logitech Ergo K860 a closer look. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection